End of the year prep. Honestly, I'm not kidding. I mean, preparing for the beginning of next year. We're not preparing for the end of the year. I think we've all prepared for the end of the year at the end of this fun COVID year. But what do you need to do for your classroom to make sure that your room is ready for next year? There are a few projects in our situation that we do consistently every year. So, for example, when the high school is working on their watercolor projects, they tend to trim the very large watercolor sheets, and I pick up those little scraps and then cut them down even smaller for the middle school classes. That way, we're not wasting that expensive watercolor paper. Every year, I need mat board scraps. Depending on the class, would depend on the size. At the elementary school, I tend to use a lot of 4x4 pieces, smaller pieces for little tiny projects. But at the middle school, we use larger sheets, 8x10s. If you have the ability to cut all these things ahead of time, it's going to save you a lot of prep next year. Please be kind to your future self. You will thank yourself when the school year rolls around next year. That's my tip for the end of the year. Thanks for visiting the art room.